So what do you got going on today?
Okay, we cut the first part of the pan.
Yeah.
I made the drain hole here for oil.
Okay.
That center of the oil, so when he undoes one here and loosens the other one, this will swing out and the oil will go that way.
Okay.
And we took everything off of here,
Yeah.
polished it and whatnot, and we'll put it back together after. We got all the parts now.
Okay.
This is seized here. We can't get this off.
Oh, okay.
If you look here, look at that axle there. Just watch.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's supposed to be welded to the frame.
Okay.
So nobody ever lubricated nothing, and this seized and broke the weld.
Okay.
So I got to cut this now to get it off. Get in there and try and weld that axle in again. Eh?
Okay.
No maintenance, zero maintenance.
Well, that's what we do, right? Buy a machine and zero maintenance.
Well, anyway, all these bushings are good. And once I get the pan on, then we'll put the bottom in. Eh?
Okay.
Other than that, I rebuilt all these. Eh? And put these on so that
It's
both
stronger.
fit
Okay.
tight. So these are all ready to go on,
Okay.
and the threads are redone.
Okay. One of the things I noticed here, or maybe it was always out here and I just noticed it now, is this bottom plate. Was that?
We're going over top of that.
Okay.
That's just cigar paper thickness, eh?
Okay.
This is going to go over top. And then it gets all welded along the side to the frame up as far as that piece of metal goes, and we'll cut another one.
Okay.
Because we can't put 15 feet iron in all one time.
Okay.
Everything has to be jacked, blocked, and tight. Eh?
So this has to be cut out, and then that has to be.
No, I got to cut this so that I can get enough room to get it off. It's rusted right solid, eh?
Okay.
So what I do is I cut this here, eh?
Yeah.
And clean it up and then re-weld it again.
Okay.
I can fix it easy. But it all takes time.
Yeah.
Those are supposed to swing on this axle. So when you fix this axle, you should polish it
Yeah.
and put never seize on, or grease at least.
Yeah.
Put it on, and every once in a while maybe grease it. Eh?
Okay. So this is just something you discovered today?
No, I discovered this 10, 15 years ago.
No, I meant
Yeah.
like on this machine.
Yes.
Okay.
You never know until you start taking it apart.
So another reason why the customer was lucky he brought it to you.
Well, if it's not fixed properly, it's no good to.
Yeah.
That's it.
Oof. Well, so the
tip of the day is do it properly and maintain after.
there you go. And grease.
Don't grease, oil, you name it.
Okay, there you go, guys.
This kind of fixing is so depressing. Peter took 3 days off and went to Winnipeg.
Holy jeez. Okay,
And
left his dog.
And he's just a viewer. Left
Yeah.
his dog. He must have been depressed. He said,
He said he was overwhelmed.
yeah, when I showed him what's going on, he went home to lay down. He said he's overwhelmed.
Okay.